Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to launch a store here in Bigcommerce. Let's begin. To launch a Bigcommerce store, you'll want to set up your store details, customize your site, and prepare for orders. Now, I want you to go to the Bigcommerce website, and from there, you need to click the sign up for a free trial to test the platform by clicking this button right here, or click the get started option, depending on what you wanted to do. Right? And as you can see, you can start your free trial, all right, by launching your store fast, save on payment rates, and experience the true reliability. But the thing is, before you can create your online store, you need to provide all of these information. All right, your first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and of course, the store name. Let me tell you that you can change this at any time. For example, you put in a different store name, and then during the inception, and later on, you wanted to change the store name, you can do that later, right? And one of the most important part of creating your account here or your store is putting as much as information as you can. For example, you might want to choose all the options that you can have from here. If you haven't started selling yet, just click this option. Or if you're just starting out, you're earning like a less than $50, 50K, $50,000, you know, or building, growing, maturing, establish a business, mid-sized enterprise, or large enterprise. Or if you're not sure, just click on this option right here. Of course, it would be nice if you could provide the store location. Is it going to be North America, Europe, or Asia Pacific? And once you've done that, all you have to do is click create your store and just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you should be able to receive something like a welcome email such as this one right here. Okay? Once you've received this, all you're going to do is click the get started button. And all you have to do is click the login, and you would be forwarded to the main menu, right? Now, the first thing that you need to do is to configure the general store settings. How do you do that? Now, in your Bigcommerce dashboard, all right, go to the store setup or store profile, and that's going to be located on the settings. You see, on the store profile, you can put in the basic information about your business. Address type, is it going to be home office, commercial office, retail, or warehouse? That depends on your kind of business, all right? So I leave this to you, even the default country. After that, you might want to go to the currencies, just really quickly check it. So these are the currency name and the payment method. So these are some of the related settings that you want to configure. The payments, tax, shipping, price list, gift certificates, and a lot more. So I leave the rest to you. After that, if you want to provide the payment methods such as PayPal, you know, Stripe, and other payment methods, you might want to do with that. So I leave all this information to you to check and make sure that you have set up your shipping options on this one right here. We have a separate video on how to work with this shipping. So you might want to check that on our channel, but basically you have all these. All right, so let me exit that for now. And after making sure that you have all these worked out, I want you to go to the add products to your store, because after obviously setting up your store name and all that information, you might want to add products to your store to start building an income or an opportunity here by clicking on the add products section. Now, we have a separate video on how to add products here. It's a dive deep tutorial that you might want to check in our channel. So I'm not going to put too much minutes in here, but of course I'm going to make a very quick look on how you can do it. You can put in the pricing for now. Say, for example, it's 35, weight is like 35, and then click on save. So that's one way. Yeah, 35 it is. Once you have saved your first product, right? The next important thing is you might want to go to the storefront, click back. You have the storefront. Now on storefront, it's important to know that you might want to check the homepage carousel. All right, so this is going to be on the homepage of your if you want to delete all of the information here, Now, once you have added the photo here for the homepage carousel, you want to make sure that everything's is set up. Click on save. Now, on the left side panel here, if you wanted to go for the themes, because normally if you click on the view store right here, and if you find your store, normally you would be given a default kind of theme here in BigCommerce, and if you find it very bland, if you want it to be creative and a little bit like, it stands out, I want you to go again to the theme section, and from here go to the theme marketplace, wherein you can choose from any of the given free templates that you can choose from. All right, so these are going to be some of the free templates that you can choose where you can work on it. But of course, if you wanted to get more dynamic and creative template, you might want to click on the paid, and these are going to be some of the options. Remember that it's paid, and obviously it costs you something. All right, if you want to test this template, if that matches your brand and identity, you might want to try to click on the view demo right here. It's very engaging, right? People will go to your website, and you will convert a lot of sales from this kind of template. Now, if you have any more questions, just go here. There's going to be a chat bot from there, and I want you to go again to the homepage, because if you wanted to purchase this theme, click on the purchase theme right here. You would be forwarded to add the payment method. All right, if not, just click on cancel. And last important thing is, if you have set up your product, your store information or store profile, I want you to click on the select plan option at the upper right corner. Why? It's very important to know that before you can launch your store in BigCommerce, you need to pick a plan from the platform, because you can't make your store live or launch your store here in BigCommerce if you are using the free plan. Now, these are going to be the options. You can start from standard, which is $29 per month, or the most popular, which is the plus, $79. The pro is $299, and the enterprise, if you wanted to scale up, you need to contact, I highly suggest you contact sales and ask for a demo. And these are going to be the perks and advantages that you might you want to look at to compare. All right, obviously just click on the select plan. After selecting the plan, you need to go to checkout and of course start selling, and you're going to be able to launch your BigCommerce store in no time. If in case you have any more questions, all right, you can simply contact and connect to the customer support. They have these channels. You can get a demo and explore modern e-commerce for a new era with a personalized tour to the platform, or you can talk to sales if you wanted to know more about launching a big e-commerce store. All right, and by following all of these steps, you should be able to launch a fully functional BigCommerce store tailored to your brand's need. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.